This is a short training video showing you how to install our CFone app. You can see here we've got the username, password and server details ready. We need to download the latest version of the CFone app and double click it to run it. You may need to click Run as Administrator depending on your PC setup. You get a welcome screen, press Next. Accept the agreement, press Next. Select an installation folder, press Next. Make the shortcuts for all users, press Next. When you finish the summary, press Next. Now the installation will take place. It takes about 3 minutes for the installation to complete. Make sure you've got the username, password and the server available because you'll be asked for those after the installation. If you haven't already done so, it was also a good idea to check your audio devices such as your headset that you may be using for making calls. Okay, so the installation is complete. There's now a final step, which is setting up the preferences. You can see the icon is on the top left hand corner of the screen for making calls. Let's press finish. Now let's start the application. This is the profile wizard, which is the first thing you must do, and you can only have to do it once in order to set up your account. Copy and paste the username, the password, and the server. Then simply press Next. Now the phone's connected, we're asked for one more screen if you want to use this to control your desk phone and your CFone. I'll show you a little bit about that in a second. Press Next. Just summarising the username, password and the server that you've entered, press Finish. And those settings are saved into the app. It does ask you if you want to add any click-to-dial browser extensions. You can do that. Let's pick one for Edge. So we've opened Edge. In fact, we've opened Chrome in this instance, and we've already previously installed it, so I won't add it to Chrome. It's already there. That enables you to click to dial from any browser page. Now finally, there's one last thing to do. When you're about to make a phone call, click Phone, and you see this little icon down here. This selects which device is going to make the phone call from. So if I were to dial someone now and press the green button to make a call, this app will control my desk phone, and my desk phone will be connected to the caller. However, since we're using the CFone, we're going to use the CFone. If you change this, this will apply to all future calls. Say yes. Now we're ready to go. Let's make a test phone call. Press the green button. And the call is going through. That concludes how to install the Call Switch Communicator app on your PC.